you're wondering what this cup is for, it's something really stupid. We are gonna do a challenge that we made up. See, we're gonna grab a bunch of hot sauces that we have in the fridge and put them in there. Then we mix and I drink. But that one behind the camera chickened out. So watch this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, we got red chili sauce, tapatio, Valentina. Okay, gotta do the same thing for this one. And disgusting sriracha. We're putting barely any of this, so for the rest of them we're gonna put. Okay, so we're gonna put 1/4 cup of each one of these into here. Ow. But this one's only getting
A squirt.
yeah, a squirt, because this crap's nasty. Alright, so let's go. We'll start off with that potato. We're running out of it.
Fill it to the brim.
The bad thing about that potato. Like, ah! Okay, that's enough that potato, because this crap's thick.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Pour.
in the cup it goes. Smell that. It smells weird.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you take like a drink of it. Watch that out.
Let's mix it. Who cares?
Hey, it's gonna get mixed anyways. Who cares? What's this? Wanna add the fire sauce right now?
Yeah, just get it over with.
Yeah. The fire sauce is hot. Like, I'm not joking, it's hot. Even Gabriel knows that.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what it smells like though. 'Cause this looks like a different fire sauce.
It's a lot more liquid. It's not chunky, it's liquidy.
Yeah, I know.
Like the other one is.
Holy. Wait, smell that. It smells like freaking. It doesn't even smell hot. It smells like
It smells like regular like Mex restaurant salsa, like the
Okay.
ones that they serve you just as
Yeah.
an appetizer.
Okay, Kim.
That
Okay,
smells
but this
exactly
one,
like that.
like I've tried this one before and it's pretty dang hot. So we're just gonna get a spoonful of this.
I think this one's different though. Huh?
I don't know. Here,
Hold
I'm
on.
just gonna do. Okay, well, Cameron wants to try it, and he's gonna tell me whether it tastes different or same.
I think it's gonna taste exactly like the.
Cause I can't taste anything until the entire mixture is done. So, yay!
It's just a getaway. Taste it.
This crap. Look at this. It's hot sauce. Okay, look at that. Same, different. Less hot, more hot.
It's not even close to what's hot.
Okay, well then, take the camera. Well then, guess we're just gonna go all out.
Yeah, it's just like a regular
Like the ones that they give you.
Mexican restaurants. Yeah,
Okay. So
it's actually really good.
Yeah, I bet so. It smells really good.
Yeah. Gamey. Shut up.
Did I put Valentina already? No. No, I was gonna put Valentina.
Yeah, you were gonna put Valentina and then this one.
This crap's gonna taste either really hot or really nasty.
It's gonna taste really weird, especially with the sriracha in there. Just a bit. The sriracha just makes it taste
Well,
weird.
first I'm gonna try it with the chips, so. The cameraman has to try it with the tip. You don't have to drink it, you just have to try it with the tip. Oh, God.
This one's just gonna add a little bit more tang to it.
Yeah. As if the sriracha won't do that already.
No, it's just soy sauce and a little bit of
Let me see,
habanero.
please. You don't do that anymore. Okay, this is about like. Well, this looks weird.
Is it?
Look at that. It's weird. That's it without the sriracha. This isn't even mixed. I don't know how to work sriracha. Gabriel does though. He's a C-Ray master.
Yeah, because they used to put it on everything.
Oh, I think I know.
It's just squeezable.
Oh, okay, that's enough sriracha.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Eat your sriracha.
No, it's
Okay,
disgusting.
time to mix, guys. Oh, God.
Does it look weird?
No, it actually looks like normal hot sauce.
Really?
If this tastes good, I swear I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna make a crap ton more.
Make a whole water bottle full.
Hell yeah.
Where are you going with that? Football practice?
It's like middle of freaking football practice. Aww.
The hell is that? Lift off.
Alright, hold on, let me sit down now. Let me smell this. This smells really good. You gotta smell that. Ew, I'm
It
grateful.
smells a lot more like tapateo and Valentino.
Okay, guys. Cameraman, wanna do the honors?
Yeah.
Okay. It's too big! Oh, there it is. Okay, that's about enough.
Yeah. Here, tap
'Cause-
it on the cup a little bit.
Because
Oh,
he's
can
just trying a chip, I'm actually drinking it, so. Alright. Put this on the lid to the dark sauce. Alright. Well, gotta do it for the YouTube. Ah.
Tastes weird.
Oh, holy crap. That tastes good. Oh, damn. My throat's burning.
It tastes weird.
Okay, chip time.
I don't know how I'm less Mexican than you, and I'm not even dying.
That's because I drank a whole mouthful, stupid.
Yeah, but still, it's the same thing. That no matter what it is.
Tastes fine now. Because with the chip. Dude, let me tell you why. Because this crap, the way they make hot sauce is they take a little bit of the capsaicin.
That's creamy. That's a lot more creamy than anything.
They take the capsaicin from a chili, like a little bit, mix that up with the rest of the ingredients in there. But capsaicin can only be canceled out with another food. So
I'm gonna make guac here in a second.
this is actually really good though.
Yeah.
I would recommend it.
And that's coming from a cameraman. I would too.
Want some more? Should I drink some more?
Comment down below.
No, Kevin should I do it?
Comment down below if we should do a part 2,
Yeah.
but with a lot more.
A lot more different ones.
Or hold.
I'm losing. Hold it. Cameraman, you're eating the chip. I mean, no! I refuse! Not that, anything but that. No! Not the Satan's blood, fool. Let me see that. Not the Satan's blood. You guys want to see this? Here, give me a napkin.
With that.
Holy crap. Watch. Alright guys, want to see one reason why I will never ever eat this Satan's blood? One, it's hot as balls. Watch, give me a napkin. Right there. I said napkin.
Just put it on.
Okay, hold that. Alright guys.
Just sniffing it makes me feel weird.
If any gets in there, I have to eat. I have to drink some.
No.
That is pure hot sauce. Look at that crap.
That's disgusting.
It's hot as balls.
Bet you my dad will do it.
You dare me to get that, what's on the knife, and stick it in there, and mix that, and drink it. Alright guys.
Fuck. Just here I can smell it. God
Satan's
damn.
blood is nothing but ghost peppers and Carolina Reapers.
That shit's hot.
Carolina Reaper, the Scoville unit is like 12 million Scoville units. That's hot. The Carolina Reaper is the hottest chili in the world. This is made from extract of the Carolina Reaper and the ghost pepper. Take it. Alright guys. Goodbye!
God damn.
Let's smell this.
You're a retard.
No, I'm a retard, not a retard.
You're same thing. A tard, a retard, same shit.
Look what it did to the chili. That's how hot it is. It does this random crap.
It just like makes it really cold.
No, it didn't even come off.
Oh, it didn't?
It stayed there. It didn't even come off. There. It's in there. Alright guys, this is how hot it is. I will not drink it. Here, put that down there. But I will
God damn.
eat a chip with it.
Dip it a little bit, because I don't know if it went every...
This goes out to all of our fans of all 11 of them. Crap.
Yeah, you died. Well, it's already on the chip. Don't be wasteful.
Shut up. As if you would do it.
Oh, that's fine.
Alright.
Hold on, guys.
Yo, legit, my mouth is on fire. Holy crap, that shit's hot. Like, I'm not joking, it's hot. Holy crap. Oh, dang, that's hot. That's hot. Really freaking hot. But I gotta hold on. Holy crap.
You lost a whole bunch of content.
You don't know how much my mouth is hurting. Ah! You're eating it.
No. Because I've tested what that is. I can hurt.
I've ate a chip. You're gonna eat that.
No.
Yes, you are.
Fuck no.
Alright. Until next time. See you guys later. Share this video, like this video, subscribe. Woo, bye. My mouth's on fire.